Hello, ladies. This is Batoon Blaze. Coming through with another of my poems, Love's Creation. And I'll be following that one with Secret Conversations. Doing these poems to the background of Belial Soul Sister Instrumental. So I hope you all sit back, relax, and enjoy my work. As I enjoy bringing to you. This first poem, I'm going to start off with Love's Creation. So let's get into it. Let the tip of my fingers, so much potential. Touch the heavens, not sin against you. All it takes is one thrust or a simple tease to ignite lustful thoughts and set my mind at ease. So I'll say again and again, please baby don't go. Let's form our own universe and shape it slow. I want to bend you around me like space and time. Birthing human creation, expanding the mind. Love's creation, love's creation. Secret conversations, sessions. Yeah. When I hear your words, they always soothe my soul. The words you say to me, baby, are never sounding old. Every spoken word so fresh that its meaning is new. I don't know what it is, baby, but I like the things that you do. Keep me captivated, every sound so clear. It's like music to my ears. I lose all fear. This is like a comfort zone we share that can't be broken. Getting closer and closer with every word that's spoken. Your nouns and verbs and adjectives simply be having me. So I offer no resistance when I feel your gravity. It's special the way you trust and open your heart. Connected through sonic stimulation. You lay in the dark. And between our words, there's a story oh so true. It's about me and you, lady. And how close we grew. To become a singularity. One spirit, one mind, forever linked by our words through the passing of time. It's so sublime, baby. So twine like a vine, baby. Twine like a vine. With you. Love in the right way. Cause I want to do is love you in the right way. Cause you're my soul, baby, you're mine. All I want to do is love you in the right way. 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 You in the right way.